Okay, I've got one.
All right.
Would you rather be naked in a stadium filled with friends or a stadium filled with strangers?
Friends. Strangers, I feel obligated to entertain. All right, I got one. Would you rather have no arms or no legs?
That is so easy. No legs. Because you need your arms.
I got one. Would you rather sleep with a married man or a felon?
Gee, I don't know.
You better make up your mind because they're outside waiting for us. Okay, I've got one.
Oh.
Would you rather watch your girlfriend in a porno or your mother in a porno?
Oh, God. What is that, a trick question?
No. Why?
So if I pick you, I'm not in trouble, right?
What, in trouble for wanting to watch me in a porno or for calling me your girlfriend?
Okay, that's another trick question, right?
It's a hard game.
Roll away everything that's tripping up your life. You're not alone. Seize the day, go and solve the question in your mind. Will love be found? Time to think all the things that you dreamed of. Time to see if a fairy tale comes true. Time to see if there's a shoulder you can lean on. Time to think, 'cause now it's time for you.
So how's it going at the gas station, son? Look, I respect this philosophy of yours not to talk, and I haven't given you a lot of grief about it, partly because it scares me. But I wouldn't be a good father if I didn't point out that what you're doing is stupid. I'm telling you, son, open up, talk, or you'll get nothing in life. Smart mouth.
Jessie.
Hi.
Hi. I just brought this little present for you.
Oh, what is it?
It's a book of poems by Pablo Neruda.
Oh, this is the one that you were telling me
Yeah.
about. Seriously?
God, it's like he's giving you homework.
What's that?
Oh, Diego gave me a book of poems.
All right, let's hear it.
Well, I don't have anything right now, but it seems like the kind of thing I'm against. Your caresses enfold me like climbing vines on melancholy walls. All right, pal, you can take your filth outside.
You know what, John? You should really read this book. It might be a nice change from the jokes on the cocktail napkins.
Oh, sure, crap on the classics.
I gotta go. Got a class to teach?
All right, I'll walk you out. You know what? Nobody has ever given me poetry before. I mean, unless you count that plaque Darren gave me for the bathroom about sprinkling and tinkling.
Well, maybe you want to come by my place tonight for a drink?
Now, by a drink, you mean some heavy-duty making out, right?
Of course.
Or you could just enfold me like climbing vines on melancholy walls.
Wow. This book's paying for itself already. Bye-bye.
Okay. Wow. Look at you. Imagine if he gave you a real gift.
I thought you guys were taking it slow.
I am. We are. We were. So you're sleeping together? Not exactly. You know, just kissing, stuff.
Ooh, what kind of stuff?
Well, just kissing. Kissing's not stuff. Stuff is stuff. Yeah, well, kissing is stuff to me. You don't know how long it's been. How long? Like 3 years?
Oh, my God. They're going to make you take the test again.
Yeah. I mean, it's not that I don't want to do stuff. It's just, I feel like if I start doing some stuff, that I'm going to want to do, you know, all the stuff.
So do all the stuff. All the stuff is good. It's all good stuff.
There's no way that I'm ready to do all the stuff.
Well, at least let him do stuff to you.
What are you guys talking about?
Cars. Shopping.
only talking about sex.
You know what I read this morning? Neil Diamond has to eat 5 diamonds a day, or he dies.
Really?
I swear to God.
All right, you guys, I'm going over to Diego's. I made a lasagna, so all you have to do is just heat it up, okay? All right, so, how do I look?
Yeah, on a scale from 1 to 10, 9.
9? 9? Why don't I get a 10?
I can't give you a 10. You're my sister. That would be gross.
Mom, am I gonna have a new father?
Gosh, I haven't been upstairs in a while. I wonder if it's still the same.
Father? Honey, what are you talking about?
Well, you really like Diego, don't you?
Well, yeah, sure I do, but it's just a date.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I mean, really, it doesn't mean, you know, I'm gonna marry him or anything. It's just a date.
Okay.
Okay. Because, you know, I mean, people, they go out on dates all the time. Doesn't mean you're gonna have a new father. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Well, good. Anything else that you need to ask me? Or... Go ahead.
Can a person ever run out of snot?
Hi.
Hi.
Come in. Wow, you look great.
No, this old thing, it's new.
So, would you like a drink?
Yeah, sure. I'll have a beer.
Okay. Did you, read any of those poems?
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Yeah? Yeah.
Did you know that book is like 8 years overdue from some library in Chile?
I know. I can never return to my homeland. This is nice. I'm glad you came over.
Yeah, me too. Nothing like getting 20 feet away from the house.
Yeah. What?
It's funny. Little John, he said this thing before I came over here. He thought that since I was coming over here, that you were gonna be, like, his father or something.
Kids!
I mean, talk about skipping a few beats, huh? I mean, beer, music, dad. As if it could happen like that again. It's like they think of this stuff and it just comes out. Like, he used to think that there were these little men who lived in the toaster with lighters who would toast your toast. I mean, that's not true. It's crazy, right? I mean, just like it's crazy that I should look at every guy I date as a potential father, you know? Because, like, that would be you. You'd be his dad. Hi, Dad. I mean, isn't that just bizarro? Oh, listen to me. I'm sorry. You were just about to kiss me.
I'm sorry. I heard Dad, and then a terrible buzzing noise.
Hey, Dad, give me a scotch.
I thought you were going to Diego's house.
Yeah, you had some stuff to do.
No, didn't work out.
What happened? Did he try something with you?
No, Dad. Nothing.
It's all that hot blood and poetry. I've been trying to tell you, Jesse, that's not for us. We're simple people.
So are you serious? He did nothing?
Said he wasn't in the mood.
What is he, a girl?
I know what his problem was. I mean, you know, we were sitting there, we were listening to some music and drinking a beer, and I was telling this funny little story about Little John.
Uh-huh.
Well, Little John had asked if Diego was going to be his father. And I thought he'd get a kick out of it.
Oh my God, why didn't you just cut off his wiener and toss it in a cornfield?
I totally blew it, didn't I? It's like a car wreck. There were just words and horrified expressions laying all over the road.
I'm sure that this is something that we can fix. I called him Dad.
Oh, my God.
You know, ever since little John was born, you've changed. Did something happen around that time?
Come on, it'll be okay. Well, what am I gonna do? Well, if you really like this guy, I do. Then you need to forget this whole single mother thing for one night. It's too heavy. But I am a single mother. Jesse, a new relationship has to start out all hot and crazy. The words mom and dad should never be mentioned. Okay, unless it's like, hey, mom and dad are out of the house so we can do it now. You got it's not that easy. Yes, it is. Okay, tonight, don't be a single mother. Just be single. Yeah, I can still do that, huh?
Sure you can. It's just like riding a bike, except the bike is a guy, and it's way better than riding a bike.
I don't care what anybody says. I like Alan Thicke. That's one Canadian who's gonna land on his feet.
What do you think Mom and Diego are doing on their date?
I don't know.
Think they're doing sex?
What?
Sex. You think they're doing sex?
I'm sorry. I'm unfamiliar with that term.
You don't know sex?
No. Do you?
Well, Joey Barcelino says it's when the woman crawls up your butt and takes control of your arms and legs.
That's it. That's exactly what it is.
It's not? Then what is it?
Oh, no. You tell him. Oh, that's convenient. You know, you probably stopped talking a year ago because you anticipated this.
Guys, it's a simple question. What is doing sex?
You know, if I'm not mistaken, there's a king-size Snickers waiting for the little boy who stopped saying sex.
Hey! What you doing?
I was just, watching this thing on this actor, Alan Thicke.
Well, get your keys. We're going for a ride.
You're going to rub me out?
Why won't someone tell me about doing sex?
Just a minute. Is that an arm? Oh, is it a leg? Oh! We can't show him that.
I was in the middle of practice. What's the big emergency?
He's asking us about sex.
Did you try giving him candy?
That's his third bar. Dad, you gotta help me.
Well, why didn't you tell him what I told you?
The story of the tortoise and the hare is not about sex.
Oh, please. Who finishes at the same time?
Wow, it's quite deserted out here, huh? I would imagine if someone screamed, no one would hear.
Well, that's sort of the point.
Should I be scared?
Don't be scared. I'll be gentle.
Oh, hold on, Jesse. I mean, are you just going to gloss over everything that happened tonight?
Yes? I mean, isn't that clear?
I don't think I can do that. I mean, you brought up some pretty heavy things tonight, you know?
Look, I was wrong, okay? I was jumping ahead, you know, skipping the good stuff. Never gonna get anywhere without the good stuff.
Is it right there? I mean, that used to be just a kiss, and now it has all these other meanings, like, what kind of father am I going to be? I mean, am I going to disappoint him right off the bat? You know, some of those toys, they're very hard to put together.
Diego, you are thinking about this way too much. Now look, you see this? You know what it means? It means I like kissing you. You see this? This is me kissing your neck. Moving my way up to your earlobe, where you should expect licking and nibbling.
And there it is, okay. Look, Jesse, I just want you to know, I take this very seriously. I mean, you're a mother.
Yeah, you're right. I'm a mother. But tonight, I just want you to think of me as just an ordinary, single woman with her hands inside your shirt.
Give me a second. Okay, I'm there.
So by the 5th time he cried wolf, none of the townspeople believed him.
What does this have to do with sex?
What else have we got? How about some chocolate-covered peanuts?
Yeah! Now sex!
I think we should wait till your mother gets home.
No, she's a girl. I want to hear it from someone who's done it.
Ow, steering wheel.
Backseat.
Ow! Toolbox!
All right, I'm coming over.
Wait!
Ow! Toolbox! Oh, no.
What, was there a time limit?
No. Darren's paging me. He's babysitting. Can I use your cell phone?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Junior, put Darren on.
Jesse,
Hi. Is everything okay?
I was just wondering, no biggie, where the Pepto-Bismol is.
Why? Is it Little John? Is he sick?
Well, it's not movie of the week sick. It's just he started to get a little nauseous, and then he threw up. I think he ate too much candy.
Candy? What about dinner?
Well, after he threw up, we all kind of lost our appetite.
Okay, the Pepto-Bismol is in the kitchen behind the vitamins.
Okay, behind the vitamins. Here we go. Listen, I'm really sorry about this.
Okay. Can I talk to him, please?
Sure. Little John, it's your mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby. Are you okay?
Yeah, don't worry. It was my fault. I'd pretend I didn't know about sex. They would give me candy. Go back to whatever you were doing.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I won't be home too late, but if you need me, just page me again, okay?
Okay.
All right. I love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Everything all right?
Oh yeah. He's fine. Everything's fine. So, where were we?
Well, after you left, I went a little further in my head.
Well, I'm sure I can catch up. He puked.
Excuse me?
Little John, he threw up. I mean, in case you were wondering.
Oh. But he's okay.
Yeah, he's fine.
Oh, good.
Did that ruin the mood?
What?
The talk about, puking.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think we'll be fine if you just don't bring it up again.
Deal. He sounded a little woozy, though. Since he was a baby, he kind of likes his tummy rubbed when it feels like that. Oh, I should have told Darren.
Do you want to call him again?
No. No way. I am busy, in case you hadn't noticed. I have to go home.
Right! I think, Little John's happy you came home.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm sorry that tonight was such a disaster.
Oh, Jesse, please, don't worry about it. There'll be other nights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I can't promise that something like this won't happen again, though,
I know. Hey. Hi. This is, it's like a special tea my father used to make for me. Gaucho tea. It's cowboy tea. You know why? Because he said cowboys could never be sick.
Cool. Thanks.
Sure. Okay.
Hey, when he's feeling better, you
are gonna get so lucky.